Today we're going to be making a copycat KFC coleslaw recipe. It's going to be crunchy, creamy and delicious. Let's get cooking. Half a cup of your favourite mayonnaise and place it in a bowl. A third of a cup of sugar. 1.5 tablespoons of white vinegar. A quarter cup of buttermilk. To improvise and make a quarter cup of buttermilk, you can also take a quarter cup of milk and add half a teaspoon of white vinegar. Now we're going to add a quarter cup of regular milk, half a teaspoon of salt and 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper, but you can add more if you love pepper. 2.5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and give this a whisking so it all comes together nicely. It's quite a thin dressing, as you can see. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced white onion, and I'm using a 16-ounce package of coleslaw mix. Add that to the dressing and give this a stir, making sure it's all nicely coated. We're going to add some dried parsley, and you can save some of this for garnishing as well. Cover this with saran wrap and place in the fridge for 2 hours. The family's gonna love this recipe. Let's take a taste. To me, this tastes just like KFC coleslaw. You wouldn't know any difference. Until next time, I'm Jon Ashton. Always remember, keep it simple. See you soon.